Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon.
Hello students. Today in the last sessions we have learnt how to add and subtract the algebraic expressions. Now today we will be learning how to multiply algebraic expressions. Now first of all let's see why we need to multiply. Multiplication की हमें कहाँ ज़रूरत पड़ती है. मान लीजिए suppose if you have the cost of each banana or a book, cost of each book is rupees X and number of books purchased is rupees 1. Then obviously the total amount or the total cost, or you can say cost of Y books will be equal to cost of each book multiplied by number of books, cost of each book X multiplied by number of books Y. So this is the total cost. This is one example where we need to multiply algebraic expressions. Another example you can take, speed is equal to distance upon time, or you can write distance is equal to speed into time. So if I say the speed of a car is x plus 3 kilometers per hour and time taken is 2 hours or 2x hours. Now if you have to find out the distance, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is x plus 3 multiplied by 2x. So again we need to multiply here. This is a monomial and the other one is a binomial. Okay? We'll take some more examples. Another example is students of class 8B students, 8AB students rather, planned for a picnic. And they decided that every student will contribute five times. Every student will contribute 5 times the number of students. Now it is given that if the number of students is x, then each student contributes 5x. So now if you have to find out the total contribution, कितना पैसा इकट्ठा हो गया, total contribution. It will be equal to the number of students multiplied by each student contribution. Each student's contribution. So here we would get number of students x multiplied by each student contribution 5x. So this will give you the total contribution or total amount collected by 8th AB students for the picnic. Another example you can take area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So if you have a rectangle like this where the length is 2x plus 3 and breadth is x minus 2. So therefore for this particular rectangle the area will be equal to 2x plus 3 into x minus 2. So there are so many examples which you can find which are related to multiplication of algebraic expressions. So it's a very important topic, students, can be related to so many situations from your daily life. So now we'll be learning how to multiply. First we'll learn how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. So now students, first let's learn how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. So to multiply a monomial by monomial, we need to remember the law of exponent. And the law of exponent that is used here is a power m multiplied by a power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. See here students, when we are multiplying these two exponents, we have to see this is called the base. Same base. Same base. Powers added. Same base, powers added when we multiply the two exponents. We'll take some examples. One more, that if you have more than 2, if it is a power m into a power n, a power p, a power q. Again we see the bases are same. Check this. Bases are same. The powers will be added. So the solution will be a raised to the power m plus n plus p plus q. Remember students, a power m into b power n. This is not equal to ab power m plus n or a power m plus n or b power m plus n. Not equal. Not to be followed. For example, sometimes we see some students do it like this: 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. They write it as 2 into 3 6 power 2 plus 2, 6 power 4. This is absolutely wrong. Okay? Okay, now let's take some examples how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. Now if you simply have x multiplied by 5y, here we see this is a monomial, this is one monomial, that is x, this is another monomial. Now here we see that we do not have any expression with the same base. The variables are having different. The base is not same. So simply what we do, we'll write the coefficient numeric number first, 5 into x into y, that is 5xy, it is your answer. That's it. Now secondly, if you have to multiply 2x multiplied by 3y, 2x multiplied by 3y. Now these are two numbers. These are two coefficients, we can say. The first one is a coefficient of x, second one is a coefficient of y. So while multiplying, we'll multiply the coefficients here. We'll write here 2 into 3. X into y, that is xy. So the answer is 6xy. Let's take one more example. If it is minus 3x into minus 5y. Now, the coefficients are minus 3 and minus 5. So these coefficients will be multiplied, minus 3 into minus 5. Now here it is x, it is y, और x into y होता है simple xy. Minus into minus will be plus, 3 5s are 15. So 15xy is your answer. Let's take one more. Minus 2x multiplied by 3y multiplied by 5z. Now 3 monomials are there. तो यहां पे आप देखिए नंबर्स को पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. minus 2 into minus 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, minus plus minus, again minus plus minus. एक नेगेटिव है, दो पॉजिटिव है, तो रिजल्ट नेगेटिव आएगा क्योंकि नेगेटिव नंबर्स ऑड है, ऑड नेगेटिव नंबर्स आते हैं. एक ही नेगेटिव है और दो पॉजिटिव है, तो इसलिए यहां पे आंसर नेगेटिव आएगा. सो इट विल बिकम माइनस 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30, so minus 30 x y z, x y z. Okay, some more examples. Example number 5 now. Now we'll be using the laws of exponents here. If you have to multiply 5x multiplied by 3x square, 5x multiplied by 3x square, तो पहले कोफिशिएंट देखिए, यहां पे 5 है, यहां पे 3 है. 5 into 3 15. अब हम ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो यहाँ पे अभी हमने लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट देखा था कि जब बेस सेम होता है, बेस देखिए यहाँ पे सेम है, एक्स एक्स बेस है, यहाँ पे x की पावर 1 है और यहाँ x की पावर 2 है. So when you multiply these two, that is if I write it like this, x into x square, this is x power 1 into x power 2. So here we get 15 as it is, base as it is, powers plus हो जाएगी, 1 plus 2 3. So 15x cube is your answer. Another example. Now if it is 3x multiplied by minus 2xy z, 3x multiplied by minus 2xyz. तो देखिए नंबर्स को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 3 और माइनस 2. तो यहां लिखा 3 इंटू माइनस 2. अब लाइक देखिएगा, द वेरिएबल्स विथ सेम बेस, तो यहां पे x x दोनों में है, x इंटू एक्स, फिर y z. Now let's simplify. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. x into x, दोनों में पावर 1 है, अकेला x जब होता है बेटा तो यहां पे पावर 1 होती है. तो x की पावर 1 इंटू एक्स की पावर 1, तो x की पावर 1 प्लस 1 मतलब x की पावर 2 हो गया. y एज इट इज आ जाएगा, z एज इट इज आएगा. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, minus 2 x square y multiplied by minus 3 x y square z multiplied by minus 5 x y z. So this will be minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. तो पहले ये लिखा minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5. अब x x वाले टर्म्स लिखेंगे बच्चों. तो पहले वाले में x स्क्वायर, तो x स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x अगेन इनटू, अब y वाले टर्म्स लिखिए, y मल्टीप्लाइड बाय y स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय y. अब z वाले टर्म्स लिखेंगे, तो फर्स्ट वाले में z नहीं है, सेकंड वाले में था z इंटू z. नाउ वी सी, माइनस 2 इंटू माइनस 3, माइनस 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 3 नेगेटिव है तो आंसर नेगेटिव आ गया. 2 3 जा 6, 6 5 जा 30, सो इट इज 30. x की पावर 2 प्लस 1 प्लस 1, दिस इज माइनस 30. x पावर 2 प्लस 1 प्लस 1, सो दैट इज x पावर 4. y power 1 plus 2 plus 1, so again y power 4, and z power 1 plus 1, so that is z square. So this is the answer. This way we multiply a monomial by a monomial. One more question. Four p multiplied by 0. As we have learnt, any number multiplied by 0, any expression multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Whatever is written here. We'll take one more example. If you have 5679 x power 10 y power 8 multiplied by 9999 y power 21 multiplied by 0 multiplied by z. So for this case, you need not multiply. See, in between we are having 0. So the answer is 0. 0 multiplied by any expression, 0 multiplied by any number, the answer is equal to 0. 9y multiplied by 4y square. 9 4s are 36. Y power 1 plus 2. These are having same base. So y power 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So this way you can multiply the 2 or 3 or more than 3 monomials. One more example. Okay, another example you can take. Find the area of a rectangle. You have to find out the area of rectangle when the length and breadth is already given to you in the form of algebraic expressions. So here we have length is given as 20x square, breadth is 5y square, area of rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 20x square multiplied by breadth is 5y square. So let's multiply. Simply numbers will be multiplied first. So 20 into 5, 100. Further we see that these x square and y square, the base is different. They are having different base. So we'll simply write it as x square multiplied by y square, square units. Length was given as 20x square units, breadth 5y square units. So the area is 100x square y square, square units. The unit of area is square units, that is square centimeters, square meter, etc. Let's take another example. If the length is given as 4 mm, this is given in meters. And 3 np, this is also given in meters. दोनों meters में दिया हुआ. Now area will be equal to length into breadth. Length is 4 mm multiplied by breadth is 3 np. Now you see 4 into 3 सबसे पहले लिखा, तो 4 into 3 हो गया 12. अब m यहां पर है लेकिन यहां m नहीं है, तो m आपका एज इट इज आ जाएगा. अब आप देखिएगा बच्चों, यहां पे n है, मतलब n की पावर 1, यहां पे भी n की पावर 1, सेम बेस है. यहां पर n सेम बेस है. सो द पावर्स विल बी एडेड. ये दोनों के बीच में सेम बेस था इसलिए पावर प्लस हो गई. सो वी गेट n into n, that is n power 1 plus 1. p यहां पर है, यहां फर्स्ट वाले में नहीं है, तो ये एज इट इज आ जाएगा p square meter. Therefore the answer is 12 m n square p square meter. यहां मीटर्स में दिया था इसलिए हमने स्क्वायर मीटर्स लिखा हुआ है. यदि कोई यूनिट नहीं लिखा होगा तो आप स्क्वायर यूनिट्स लिखेंगे बच्चों, जैसा हमने फर्स्ट वाले एग्जांपल में किया. Now another example, which is example number 12 now. Find the volume of each rectangular box. बच्चों जब rectangular box बोला है मतलब वो cuboid के shape में होगा, इसकी length, breadth और height होती है. You can see a rectangular box. So many boxes you can see. See, this is a rectangular box. ये आपका rectangular box है. इसकी आपको length, breadth और height दी हुई है, आपको volume find करना है. Okay? So to find out the volume of this, अब volume का फॉर्मूला होता है बच्चों, volume of, you can say it as a cuboid, it is a cuboid, length into breadth into height. So here we have length is 2ax, breadth is 3by, height is 5cz. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे A है, here it is BC, x, y, z, all variables are different. So first we'll multiply all the numbers, coefficients, 2 into 3 into 5, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Numbers को multiply किया, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. पहले लिखा हुआ है. अब आप देखिए, we'll write it in order. तो पहले A, then I am writing B, alphabetical order में लिख रहे हैं. फिर लिखा मैंने C, then comes X, then comes Y, then comes Z, cubic units. It is equal to 30 ABC XYZ cubic units. Let's take another example. Length, breadth and height are given. Now again, volume is equal to L into B into H. That is M square N into N square P into P square M. अब आप सबसे पहले M देखिए. M देखते हैं हम यहाँ पे. This is containing M, तो ये M square है और लास्ट वाले में M है. और यदि आप अब m की पावर देखते हैं तो m की पावर यहां पे 2, लास्ट वाले में 1, तो इट इज 2 plus 1. नाउ पावर ऑफ n, हियर इट इज 1, हियर इट इज 2, तो 1 plus 2. अब बचा p, n हो गया, अब बचा p हमारा, तो p ये है, p की पावर अगेन 1 plus 2. That becomes m cube, n cube, p cube, cubic units. Okay students, one more example, third part of the same. Length into breadth into height is volume. 2q into 4q square into 8q cube. Now 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Q power 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 64. Q power 6 cubic units. This is volume. Another example here, last one. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर, यहाँ A है, यहाँ पर भी A है, तो A into A, that will become A power 1 plus 1, that is 2. B power 1 2 3, B power 3, and C power 1 plus 1, that is 2 cubic units. So students, this is all for multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Now with the help of this discussion, whatever we have done today, you can solve the questions of exercise 9.2 of your NCERT book. Complete questions of exercise 9.2 of your NCERT book. Have a nice day. Thank you.